Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad everybody is now using those comments down below. I really do appreciate that very much. Today is Thursday, so welcome back to Master of All Movies DVD Collector Presswood. That's my last name. My channel is actually under my name. It's SARAPRESTWOOD. I will show off some flashcards when I will let you know about my channel. For each flashcard that I'm going to show you when I do upload that, you can see which bookcases is actually physical media. That way you guys remember what movies and what stations they are, just so that you know where they're actually in my apartment upstairs where I live right here with my parents. Yes, we're about to get 2 more next to my fridge by my desk, my computer desk, and one over next to the wall, so I can put my arrows, screen factories, with my other titles where I want to put them. I do my own work. Actually, I do a lot of unboxing videos. I do reviews. I do cuts to see which movies are in the category that they're actually in, and I'll show you when we get it, when we have enough energy to actually do the work. So today we got movies. Are you excited? I know I am. Today is September, scratch that. Today is September the 14th, Thursday, shopping day. And I got some amazing movies. Yes. I just got 3 new ones today. Yay! I am so excited to show these. But some of these might be last week's, but that's okay. You guys will probably see them over and over. Just let you know, because we are a huge DC family. Well, most of us. Sorry. So yes, I'll let you all know when I'm getting the others on Amazon online purchase. We went to Best Buy. My titles were in. I'm trying to get them in so when I'm collecting, I can build up my U-hauls and dips. Now, let's go ahead to show off the old ones. I know you guys probably know by now. So last week we got Spider-Man, 4K slip of the Spider-Verse. I will get another steelbook, I'll let you know. Now, I think I showed you guys this before. That's 4K, and this is a Blu-ray. This is the artwork right here. Yeah, my dad is at the doctor's right now. This is the Spider-Man, the best film. I wrote down a few movies down. I will reveal some of them. We have Jennifer Lawrence, of No Hard Feelings. Becky, Ken, and Michelle to review that movie. I'll show you the disc. I'll find my notebook and I'll let you know when. 103. Yeah. Let me see what we have for Spy Reverse. Sometimes the minutes are tiny. 140 minutes. So this is 140. We had The Last of Us the last time I went at Walmart. This is the complete series of The Last of Us. 521 minutes of the entire series. You guys probably know about this by now. The entire series. This is why I do the best of my YouTube videos. I do this during the day. Sometimes I do this at night. But I don't work at the while I do my videos because it's only Monday and Wednesday only. So there you go. Are we ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, 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 yes. Everybody got this in, and so did I. Today is the day of 4Ks. Of all 4Ks. And this is also going to be an unboxing video. Yes, today unboxing video. So, keep those belts tight. Ready? Ready? Hackers. I got my copy of Hackers at Best Buy exclusive. This is exclusive steelbook packaging. It's okay with a little rip because I can also unbox that. This is a 4K Ultra Blu-ray limited edition steelbook. I never had this in my collection, so I have 18 steelbooks. Yay! Yay! Yes! Yes! I am so excited. 18 steelbooks. Yes. Yes. Can't wait to get the other half when I get there. Promise. This is a Shout Factory. This is a collector's edition. This is our world, now the world of the election and the switch. The beauty of Bard. Let me see the minutes. Down below, 105. This is a 1995. So this is the 90 movie collection. I can't find the other minutes, but that's okay. It has, looks like they don't have any subtitles in this one. Yes, yes. I hope you're all ready to unbox this video. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let's go on to it. there we go. Now I do keep my J cards everybody. Got it. Plastic off. Throw it on the floor. Remove the J card. I am so excited to watch this one. Shout Factory, yes! I have others of Shout Factory's movies. Thank you, and Screen Factories as well. You guys are brilliant. So shout out to Shout Factory and Screen Factory as well. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is like Christmas to me, almost. Almost. Hackers, yes. Hack the Planet is in the back. Ooh, can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Let's see the artwork. Let's see the artwork, don't we? Yes, I know everybody is excited. Yes. The entire cast and crew. Yes. Isn't that amazing? I am so excited for this. This is a 4K ultra high def. This is a Shout Factory MGM's 4K PG-13. I'll show you the back. Look at this beauty. Look at this baby. Now, the next we got the Blu-ray. The Blu-ray, baby. Blu-ray. Yes. I am excited. We got the Blu-ray, we got the 4K Ultra, we got the artwork. Yes, yes. Thank you so much for everybody on YouTube. I am so excited. Shout Factory, MGM. Oh my God, it's like, oh my God. I can't believe it. I just cannot believe it. J card. Should I fall in love with this movie? Should I fall in love with this movie? Should I make it out? Should I really to make it out on this movie? David from Direct Cinema? Nah. Okay, yes. Everybody get this movie in. And I am so, yeah. And who is ready for another Steelbook unboxing? It's one of those things. Ooh, the little girl has powers in this one. With Danny Vito, with Miss Honey. Danny Vito. The crazy principal and the low life of the mother. And of course, a brother. Look at that baby. Look at that. Special features and all. Look at this goodness. Look at this babes. Mouth of all babes. Mouth of all babes. This is a TriStar. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. We got another J card. We got another J card. Yes. And of course we got this little beauty thing right here. That's okay. Look at that, this thing here. Amazing, isn't it? Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yes, yes. I love this movie. I grew up with this movie. I watch it more than once on Freeform. Man, oh my, I just love this. Love it, love it. Yes, well, thank you for tuning P. Movies and more. And we've got the school in the back of the crazy principal. We've got right here, Mrs. Transport. She whips the kids in school. Ooh, we do have Matilda digital code. So if you want a digital code, go for it. Copy the movie down, write the code down, and go to your local store and find it. I do not give any giveaways. We got Matilda. We got the pictures. And we got the whole artwork. Look at that baby. Amazing, isn't it? I can't believe I'm going to rewatch this very soon. J-card. So thank you everybody. We got we all know we got my screen 5. Groceries. I think you all seen it before. Yeah, I saw this one before. I saw this before. And how did it go? How did it go?
Perfect.
What did he say?
He says I'm cured.
Are you really?
Well, you're never cured with diabetes, but I'm a 5.0, which is a non-diabetic.
Nice. Did he say anything about your weight?
No, but it was with all my clothes on. It's 223.
Wow.
My blood pressure is perfect.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'm in good shape.
Good. My criterion. You know about these. So you guys know the new ones here. So these are the new ones that you guys probably know by now. Sorry about that. It's just, I'm interested to see my dad happy for his ducks. I'm going to check the criterion very soon. So here's the series. Now Hot Feelings for Jennifer Lawrence. And the new Spider-Man reverse. So these are the recent weeks of movies and Starbucks. And the last one, I got this in. Yes, I just have to get season 1 of 4K. Mission Impossible, I got it in 4K in digital code. This is in 1986. 110 minutes. Mission Impossible. Another J card. 4K Blu-ray in digital gold. Again, are those sticky things. See, this is sticky. Oh, look what we got here, guys. I got United States America of Mission Impossible. We also got digital gold. So if you want these now, go ahead and get them in. Write them down, write the movie down, and write the number down, and go to your local stores. Again, I do not give giveaways. I collect them. So if you're redeemed, go redeem them. Ask yourselves. So here's your 4K. Yeah, my dad recently got him from his doctor's appointment at his usual appointment. I have one for the HCS, not Special Olympics. I got the first of Mission Impossible today. I'm so excited I got the first one. And then we have a sticker. I'll put that back in. And there you go. So thank you for stopping by, everybody. The new SmackDown amazing video. If you like what you see, please comment down below. If you want more videos like these, you better give me something to remember this by. I'll get that up later. So, step up number 1. I get that off. I'll get them. So, Hackers, Mission Impossible 1, Matilda, Speed 5, we got so slippery, Spider-Man, Reverse, No Hard Feelings, the series of The Last of Us, Best X, The Flash, the really cool Missing Pass, my new Criterion. And this is it for this video. And here's my SmackDown of my new slippery Starbucks. Okay, don't forget to leave your comment down below. Hit the notification bell, ring the bell, comments down below. Thumbs up guys, thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. This is the weeks of the new release day, and I'll see you when I do another video. Thanks guys. You'll have a good day.